Hello everyone. How many of you seen movie Kung Fu Panda? Kung Fu Panda movie has three characters: Panda, Shifu, and Oogway. And Shifu's responsibility is to train Panda. And Shifu is trying his level best, but Panda is not picking his training. Panda is not picking skills. Panda is not picking habits. Panda is going all over the place, and Shifu is worried. Shifu is trying his level best to train Panda. And Shifu is confused. Shifu is using pressure, threat, anger, all kinds of tactics. But Panda is simply not picking the way Shifu wants. Shifu wants Panda to become the world's best warrior. Panda is not understanding. Panda is not looking at it. Panda is taking their training lightly. So Shifu decided to reach out to Oogway, who is Shifu's guru. Shifu said, Oogway, I'm trying my level best. Panda is not picking it up. What should I do? Oogway took a deep breath and with wisdom, like a saint, Oogway responded to Shifu, believe. Shifu said, believe? Oogway repeated again, believe. Believe. What do you mean by this? Start believing in Panda. And then suddenly this idea popped up in Shifu's mind. And then he started to just believe on Panda. And God knows, magic started happening. His belief, his energy started getting transferred into Panda. And whenever Shifu would communicate with Panda, he would communicate with this belief. This belief became the context. This belief became the future self of Panda. And every time Shifu would interact with Panda, he would keep in mind his belief. So this belief started working magically. Slowly, gradually, Panda started getting transformed. He started picking skill. He started picking habits. He started building that belief which was getting transferred from Shifu to Panda. And one day, Panda became a warrior, which Shifu wanted. Now, how many of you who are training Pandas in organizations? You have teams in organizations. In families, you have kids whom you are trying to train and transfer those habits and skills, and we are struggling. My dear friends, it's not your intention. We suddenly, if somebody is not picking habits and skills the way we want, we start doubting his intention. It is not intention, it's belief. That person is not believing in himself. But as being a guru, as being an adult, as being a leader, if you build that belief, you can help that person. Your belief onto your team members can create magic. Your belief onto your child can create magic. Whenever you communicate with that team member, with that belief, magic will happen. They'll start to get transformed. So a lot of people ask me this question. We want to empower our teams. I ask them, how much empowered you are? What's your own belief about yourself? So having this belief is very, very important for yourself and for others. Now let's try this meditation. Wherever you are, just close your eyes with your deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Visualize yourself into a beautiful green paddy field. You're enjoying yourself. Now create this belief, this future self for that person whom you want to see successful. Think of that person. See that person as successful. See he is growing. He's discovering himself. He's happy. Think, think, think. Now do this every single day. If you want to transform your child, you got to work onto your belief. Bye. Take care.